Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST Pro Series Supersport-K Kangaroo leather jacket. Okay, this is something we're pretty excited about. These things actually just landed today. This is the all-new Pro Series Supersport-K Kangaroo. You just don't find that.
Yeah.
Leather jacket from our friends at RST. We're going to sell this for $499.99
Yeah.
on our website. Please understand, we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself is completely redesigned. With this jacket, we finally have a ton of perforation, right? It's fully perfed up here in the chest. All this four-way stretch.
Some rugged stretch
Flows
material.
air freely. That's something I'm super pumped about.
Can we talk about sizing?
We should.
We should talk about sizing and fit. What do I think? What
size are you wearing?
I am 5'11", 170 pounds. I don't have super broad shoulders, if I'm being honest with you. But I'm wearing a 52, and it fits flawless for the folks that do have broad shoulders. I think this is going to be good for you as well, because I do have some extra material. And I love it. Is this an aggressive fit? I forgot to say if I'm wearing a 52, technically a medium. Get back with that. This is a very, I'd say, aggressive fit in the arms. Kind of fits like a race suit, if I'm being honest with you. But it's awesome. I like it. Suits my style.
It looks great.
Looks great.
It looks great. This is RST's first time, right, producing, that higher end, right, leather jacket that's going to compete head to head with, like, say, the Alpine Stars jackets that are now, a lot of them are over $700. So you've got a hell of a savings here, but you're giving nothing away.
For sure.
You're picking stuff up, actually. The quality on this thing,
it's awesome.
It's shocking.
It's got removable
amazing.
elbow sliders. If you can zoom in on this, Tom, that's forged carbon in the shoulder.
That is absolutely sick.
It's freaking dope.
Yeah, that is sick. It's available in this one colorway. That's all it's being produced in this year.
Yeah.
Airbag compatible. If you want to wear an airbag system under this, one of the universal options, as long as you have enough room to accommodate the fit of the airbag, you would 100% have to go up a size.
110. In my opinion, if I take this back protector out, I do think I might have enough room. I personally
It's going to be close.
But we'll see.
It's going to be close. But the bottom line is it will accommodate that. There's plenty of stretch fabric and stretch panels built into this jacket to allow for use of that.
Yeah.
With that said, safety. This jacket comes with level 2 certified armor in the elbow forearm. God, that Kangaroo feels so nice, dude.
It is nice.
The shoulder, and also we have our external shoulder cups. There's a tremendous amount of protection in that area.
And it's made out of forged carbon.
Which is just sick. And it has a level 2 back protector included with the jacket. The race hump, you probably got a good look at that. Subtle in size. So if you want to wear a backpack for street riding,
you'll be okay.
You can do that. Yep. This will zip to any of the RST leather pants if you want to turn this into a two-piece riding suit. We have pants here that are absolutely going to go along with it. There's plenty of interior storage, exterior storage. We have two hand warmer style zippered storage pockets, one on either side.
There we go.
Zipper pull is at the top. Volume adjustment is done here.
Yep.
The waist with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. Motion panel in the elbow. Motion panel here in the shoulder. Perforated panel here, up in the shoulder blade area. Ventilation here at the top of the race hump. This 3D spacer fabric, they use this inside the jacket. I'll show you in the second part of the video. Very clean styling. Rolled neoprene style neck, comfortable against the skin. That four-way stretch is used all across the top of the shoulders. So even though this has a very aggressive cut for Max, right? It wears light, airy, and comfortable. Airflow is going to come through all the four-way stretch in the arms, perforated here in the chest, the four-way stretch in the abdomen of the jacket, the termination here at the cuff. That's like a nice neoprene with some silicone injection. It looks great. Probably feels really good.
Yep. And it's reasonably form-fitting to the wrist as well if you'd like to wear a gauntlet glove.
Yeah, go right over it, no problem.
And what I noticed...
Locking zippers there too.
Yeah, locking zipper. Hell yeah. What I noticed when I first put on this jacket is it kind of fit like a race suit, I guess. But the nice thing about it is all this stretch material that will make it feel well when you're in the upright position as well. And in the back, unlike some other jackets out there, it does have this nice stretch paneling in the back. So if you're a rider that's like balls to the wall on the freeway, get it done, always tucked down, it's going to feel great. And then when you stand up, you're going to have a lot of perforation and it's going to be comfortable. It's not going to pull on the back of your neck, shoulders like a race suit would, if that makes sense.
This is an absolute premium level jacket.
Yeah.
Premium materials used throughout. And you're getting the Kangaroo.
Yeah.
And you're also getting the back protector insert.
Yeah.
All the other jackets that we mentioned, right? High-end jackets selling for $250 more.
98% of the time they don't come with a...
Actually, 100% of the time they come with a pocket.
Come with a pocket.
And you have to buy the insert independent of the jacket and add it on. This one comes as a complete package right out of the gate.
Yep.
We have a fairly limited number of these here, so if this is something you find yourself interested in, and we have your size available.
Get it, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, get it, because I think the number that we brought in, even though it's high end, they're not going to last super long.
For $500, there's other brands out there that make jackets for $700 or more. We're right at the $700 price point, and I feel like this is better. It's going to flow more air. It's airbag compatible. It's got a back protector in it that's C level 2 in the back, shoulders, elbows, and it looks badass. Get it while you can.
Yeah, get it while you can. And no bullshit here. Comparing this, and we've reviewed all the Alpine Star jackets. We've got a couple more sitting over here actually in the video room we're going to do. They make great stuff. We love Alpine Stars.
Awesome.
When it comes to quality and protection, comparing this to their top-end jacket, you are giving away nothing.
Yeah.
Completely
nothing.
on par. All right, here we go. The RST Pro Series Supersport-K leather jacket, Kangaroo jacket from the inside out. This is going to come with CE level 2 soft shell armor in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm, as well as the back. All this stuff is temperature sensitive. As it warms, it becomes more moldable, flexible, and comfortable. Stuff feels great in the coat. Max really enjoyed the way this thing fit and moved. Jacket itself, right? Super clean styling, like this digital camo print. 4-way stretch fabric, volume adjuster here in the waist is done with Kangaroo, Velcro, and a D-ring. Screen printed logo there. Very subtle race hump here. 3D spacer fabric is used on the exterior as kind of a styling accent. It's also used inside the jacket. Large perforated panel here behind the arm. Perforated panel here at the shoulder blade. All the 4-way stretch is going to flow air freely. Nice motion panel here in the elbow. Get to the front of the coat. Perforated panel, large perforated panels up here in the chest. All the stretch flows air freely, and there's a tremendous amount used here. Here's one of my favorite parts. Look at that carbon shoulder slider. That thing is just, it's sick. It looks forged carbon, I think, is what Max said it is. It looks great. Also has a lot of protection in that area of the jacket. Replaceable elbow slider. Termination at the cuff is done with like neoprene, like some silicone injected accents. Self-locking zipper. Hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. You get inside the coat. 3D spacer fabric is all used here, all throughout the back of the coat. That maintains a pocket of air between yourself and like the back protector or the shell of the jacket. Allows air to flow more freely, makes the riding experience much better. Interior storage pockets. A couple zips here, right? Up in the chest area. One on either side. Storage pocket here. Slip pocket over here on the other side as well. Great place for probably a phone. Because down low like that, you're not blocking as much wind. Up higher in the chest pocket. It's more possible. You block some wind. You know, I looked at their product listing. I didn't see anything called out for chest armor, and I don't think that's something that they've done yet. You know, we do have those pockets on either side. Probably need to do a little further investigation. With that said, you know, you add anything there, you're blocking the airflow in a critical area, so you might want to think that part through. If you want to make a two-piece riding suit, we've got plenty of the leather RST pants here. The TrackTech Evo 5s are going to zip right to this big heavy gauge zipper right here. Zipped in. You can have a nice two-piece riding suit. There's the inside of that collar. It's rolled neoprene, comfortable. This is a top shelf jacket. Okay, $499.99 is an amazing price for this Kangaroo forged carbon CE level 2 armor use. You're out. This is a complete package. I compare this head to head all day long with any of the top level from Alpine Stars, Dainese, Revit, whatever, right? You're giving nothing away in terms of quality or protection. You're only picking up, right? At this point, this is the only Kangaroo street jacket that is on the market that I'm aware of. Thing looks great. We brought them in a rather limited quantity, right? If you're interested, need sizing help, you can reach out to our team. They're going to help get you in the right fit. We showed you a bunch here with what Max was wearing. A little bit of a slimmer cut jacket, looks great. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.